In this video, I will show you how to create a Google account on PC with Chrome first time. Open up the Chrome browser. It should look like this if it's your first time creating an account on your Google Chrome. Come up to where these 9 dots are in the upper right corner, push on them. Then push on Account here. Then this blue writing that says, Create an account, push on that. Put your name here. And then the Gmail account name here. Put in a good password here. It needs to be 8 characters or longer. Press Next. You can put a phone number here if you want. Scroll down and put in your date of birth. Pick a gender. Press Next. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and press I agree. Open up a new tab. And there we go, guys. How to create a Google account on PC with Chrome first time.